and Z family. When you see me, you know what time it is, people. Startup time. Finally. What a relief. It's a good feeling, people. It's a long anticipating moment, and the moment has come. Remember my promise, the next vlog, you're going to hear the machine. And see where you are now, people. And as you can look around and see, a nice shower of blessing Father God give it this evening. So you know, a lone blessing for the rest of the evening and night. So stay tuned, and we're going to carry you through the journey. Yeah. I have the machine.
We're on the back. We're on the back, yeah.
Shaheem, are you excited for Daddy's car to be start? How do you think it's gonna sound?
No.
How do you think it's gonna sound, Shane?
I know. There you go, Daddy. It's gone.
Are you excited? Are you excited? You're excited for the startup? Okay. Let me see your happy dance.
Yeah, people, so today is the day now. See with me, man. So I'm excited.
What's the car gonna say? What's it gonna sound like?
No, probably like some wild boar hug in the wilderness.
What do you think, Ron? What's it gonna say?
Beast, man, beast. Bear.
They reach?
Yeah, man.
What?
All
Alright, people. So,
what them boy? Watch it.
yeah, man. Them boy just reach. Them a go work. Connect up the computer to the car and do a mobile. What me I talk about mobile, say? And dial out the car and get it started up, people. So, alright, so people. Yeah. We now use but the original clock. And we're gonna use some button control and things. So no mount up yet. That are the dash. The button them over there, so not no mount up yet. But just to meet deadline, I need to get this thing crank up. And up on a good heading to start drive. Can't wait for your people. People, so say, cover I check it, you know. Get your half guard, my boss. Big up, man. So, you see your laptop, you know what time it is, you know? Time to get him start up. Yeah. I got remote dial in the machine, you know, people. That is it. Long anticipated moment.
Uncle Max is not starting up the car.
Look what Uncle Back is gonna do now.
Ask Uncle Back is what he's gonna do now.
Uncle Max is just going to start up the car.
Yeah, I'll start now.
Oh, I want it to start now.
You gotta wait, man.
No.
Alright, go on that side and press the button.
What button?
Ready to start?
Where?
Wait, Shader, just wait. Okay?
Where's the button?
Shade and run out of patient, you know. Stress out.
This is the button. No.
You mean to do?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah, Shadik, sure.
No, man, I don't say I got it. No, man, I don't say I got it. Let's try to bike shot there. Listen. drive over there now.
Yeah, people. First start up.
Ready?
Hello, stand up.
Let's go bikes. Chicka boom.
Any minute now.
I watch me. So start.
It's gonna fall.
It's so poor.
Whoa.
What happened?
Ready. You want to start?
You hear that, people? You hear that? Right. You hear that? It's alive, people. It's alive. Fresh baby, just start up, wet and everything. Alright people, so as you can see, first start up, one click and you're ready. So, you might go and do them checks same way as you can see. Check oil pressure, check everything, make sure everything will work properly. So shut him back down again and I run through the button, the control. In sync the control with the electrical part of the vehicle, get the dash working properly, everything, them are dial in everything people. So first start up and it sound like a monster. Excited. Here they again. I'm going to do them thing people. Stay tuned with there. Time moment we have been waiting for them again. Work upon people, excited. So come on road. See family, we soon back out again, see family. Yeah. Get there. Alright. Yeah, man. So, we're there, people, we're there. We are getting dialed in and fine-tuned in terms of, as we said, the electrical part of it and the control part of the system. So, stay tuned, people. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. What you say? Eh?
I saw you to listen to, you know. You listen, I stop watching Muffler. Wait, just watching Muffler and I listen to the sound. You must see some of that. You don't hear us in our sweetness? Huh?
Hear the spal from them people.
That's what I'm putting it for.
Come, mommy. Yes. Watch out. Watch out. Put on parking, but yeah. Yeah, boss, for the channel, mommy. Alright.
Yeah, set up. Ready for the road.
Yeah, man. Ready for your run?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're a boy, yeah.
Team Z, boss.
You're a
Yeah.
boy, same come with him.
Yeah, I update to the new engine. Update the ride along. I first be put it right, man. Come over here, say daddy.
Daddy.
Come.
Don't turn around, you know? Look at the air pressure.
No, man, that's the search tank for the gas. So fuel cell I go feed that. Gas tank I go feed that. Triplet them, man. Black hole.
So you say battery?
They say it take a moment.
Get up.
Right, yes.
You have a contract with me, okay?
What's up, Ari? Hey, Z family. This is my little sister, Anna. Come, give brother a hug. One big family.
That's not happy now?
Yes, a big hug. Want me here? You say about it, mommy?
Kim gone for it.
One whole built over.
Yeah, that bike is. Mommy saying they're pretty, sir.
Brand new.
My plug on short.
How much that color bike is, yeah? Silver with a green pearl.
Daddy, come here and come here. Yes, mommy.
Turbulence, turn up. I'm turning at the camp.
Oh, good.
Say something like an RB. You never hear one rotary, but
A true man, it sound like a rotary, man. And the dial in a judgment. Yes, sir.
This rope in the mass. I like concrete good at the coat. Sunrise. Yeah, they for sunrise. Sunrise more drive. No, yeah, in the passenger seat. So you cannot drive in there. So you bet anything you do Thursday, you make sure you show up, go in the passenger seat.
Okay, mommy.
You must die now, it's up on the side. So bike is ready, man. Jay-Z, don't put that in there? So you might wait, man.
Jay-Z, that's what I mean.
So you now put Jay-Z in a midlife.
Can't totally confident. Can't win that, can't. Relax.
Alright, so people. See me, Anna?
One bike is
Get the
funny.
machine start up, so you know where you go. Alone up from here, so there you know. Test drive straight funny shop.